Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist in Gino, and I'm just sneaking up on him. I just said, hey Gino, what's going on, man? Laying down on the job again, huh?
Oh, yeah.
So he's finishing connecting this Dexter Easy Flex kit, and just wanted to talk about that for a second. This makes such a huge difference. I don't know how many years we've been putting these on, but this is one of the solid, well-known kits, and it's made by Dexter Axle. So I mean, there's lots of them out there, but as far as like failures or things that are broken or worn out, I haven't had any so far to date. I think we've been putting these kits in that I can recall, Gino, since maybe like 2003.
Oh.
Yeah, that I can remember. And I may be wrong on my years, but I want to say 22 plus years of being in business and putting in that system. And I haven't had any failures. I mean, we've had the rubber bushings obviously go bad, and some of the bronze bushings that's inside of it wear out and stuff from use, but that stuff you can get, you can order it, you can replace it, or sometimes it's just cheaper by the time you do that to just buy another kit.
Yeah. I think people are upgrading too, and I think it's actually worth it a lot. Seeing what the old systems look like when we do the upgrades, I'd say more people out there should probably start taking a look, or at least bringing them in to get looked at, because there was quite a few that people kind of thought there wasn't really much wrong with them, and then after exploding it a little bit, taking everything apart and seeing what's going on in there, it's quite the opposite of what most people believe.
Yeah, they don't it's on the ground, so it's got weight on it, and they don't realize all the wear and tear and the slop in it. So
Exactly.
We've done other videos too, so if you haven't already joined us on our YouTube channel, it's Your RV Specialist, and take a look at some of the suspension videos that we have where we're showing everything from like bad dust caps to leaf springs that are flat, shackle links, bushings, bearings. I mean, you name it. We've got a lot of educational stuff for you to keep you, informed and stuff. So, all right, Gino, well, hey, I'll let you get back to it.
All right. Thank you.
Holler back at me when you get a little bit closer done, and I'll come take some final pictures of it.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.